Hello to everyone, welcome to the third episode of Digitally Show. In this episode, we are going to talk about digital impression and single visit dentistry and why we should enter digital dentistry. In digital dentistry, there are two approaches. One, digital impression, and two, single visit dentistry. So what's the difference? When you select digital impression, you should know that you are going to outsource the rest of the workflow to, for example, laboratory. But when you select single visit dentistry, you are going to do all the workflow by yourself. First, I'm going to talk about digital impression or DI. Dentists can create a virtual computer-generated replica of teeth and tissues via digital impressions, which represent cutting-edge technology devices called intraoral scanners or IOS. The digital technology captures clear and highly accurate impression data in mere minutes, without the need for conventional impression materials that some patients find inconvenient and messy. The impression information will be transferred to a computer and used to create restorations, often without the need for stone models. So okay, what is the benefits of digital impression? Digital impressions significantly increase efficiency, accuracy, and productivity of your workflow. Conventional impressions must be delivered to a laboratory physically, which can cause damage risk and extra costs. But with DI, it is possible for dentists to email the virtual impression to the laboratory safe and sound. Also, digital impressions can be used to make same-day dentistry restorations, thereby speeding up patient treatment and reducing the need for multiple office visits. These are the key benefits of digital impression. So what is the other benefits? Okay, let's go. Definitely better fitting restorations, decreasing waiting and chair time, no distasteful impression materials that cause some patients to gag, more comfortable, less anxious experience for patients and the dental team, reduced possibility of impression taking errors and elimination of material inaccuracies for fewer restoration mistakes, more engagement of patients because of the new technology and state-of-the-art dental care, the scan of teeth being restored as well as the opposing teeth and bite can be completed in just 3 or 5 minutes. The digital impression electronic storage saves space, contributes to efficient record keeping. Pleasant for environment, green dentistry and eco-friendly aspects include eliminating the need for disposable plastic trays and impression materials. So here we are. Digital impression benefits include 3 aspects: you, your team, and your patient. In the next episode, we are going to talk about single visit dentistry and its benefits. Please stay tuned and I will see you in the next episode.